To change your YouTube channel art, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and make sure that you are logged into the channel that you want to change the channel art of. And then at the top right corner, click on your image and click on view your channel. And then once you're on your channel, you can see that when you hover over your channel art, there's a little camera icon that pops up. If we click on that, it will take us to our YouTube studio page where we are in the branding section. And then over here, the second from the top, you can see banner image. And this is where you can either change or remove your old channel art. I'm gonna change mine, so I'm gonna click on change. And then I am going to select the channel art that I want. There we go. Done. And then just make sure that you click on publish, because otherwise it will not be saved. And then click on view your channel. And as you can see, that channel art has been updated. To update your YouTube channel art using your phone, make sure that you have the YouTube Studio app installed and then log in to the channel that you want to change the channel art of. And so I am logged in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my own image in the top right hand corner, and then I'm going to click on the little pencil icon next to it. And this is where we can edit our channel. And now at the top, for me, this only shows a camera icon in a grayish background. It's because I don't have any channel art on this channel yet. But when we click on the camera icon, it will be the same if you already have channel art or not. It will ask you, do you want to take a picture or do you want to choose from your photos? So I'm going to click choose from my photos, and then I am going to select the new channel art that I want for this channel, and I'm gonna click on save. And this takes a minute, but as you can see, that channel art has now been updated. It's that easy. That's it. Let us know in the comments down below what other tutorials you'd like to see on this channel.